Hey, this is Mark. In this video I'm going to show you how to add reminders to iPhone lock screen and home screen. So basically, once you're on your home screen, just long hold, then on the top left click edit, then click on add widget. In the widget you can just type in reminders and then you have like list, many lists or whatever. So let's just say you want this list, and now once it loads up you're going to see all of your reminders. If you want to remove it, just long hold, remove widget and remove, and that's it. If you want to add it to your home screen, go to settings, then let's find wallpaper, come to wallpaper, then you want to click on your current or any other, customize, and then you can click on add widget, and same thing. Let's just find reminders, here it is, click on it, list, drag and drop it here. If I click on done, now for it waits to loads up, as you can see I have my reminders right over here. If I want to remove them, same way, just come here, tap on them, tap on the minus, and then top right, done, and now they won't be here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.